For this project in my floral design course, I was required to create a table centerpiece arrangement based on a pre-selected color scheme of my choosing. I chose to use purple, mauve, and green for my color scheme. For this arrangement, I'm using roses for my focal flower. For my line flower, I have stock flower, and I have a bunch of accent flowers, tulips, an iris stem, spider mum, Gerber daisies, and I also found a cute green dianthus that looks like a fuzzy ball, which will bring a different texture to the mix. For greens, I have fiddle leaf fig branches, and I needed another green to frame my arrangement, so I went outside and clipped some Kunti palm branches from my yard. My filler flowers are Alstroemeria, Statice, and Gypsophila. For this arrangement, I'm using a pedestal compote for my vessel. I place a frog pin on the bottom and then I add water. I begin to assemble my arrangement and it starts to look nice, but I get frustrated because I realize that the frog pin is way too small to accommodate all the stems I'm using. I didn't have any other pin frogs except for a larger plastic one, so I tried that. It was too flimsy, and note to self, never buy a plastic pin frog again. I didn't know what to do at this point. I happened to have a piece of floral foam, so I decided to try using that. At first, I put it in the compote and added water, but the water wasn't absorbing and the block was just floating. So I worked without adding the water and decided to put it in at the end. I continue to build my centerpiece using the Kunti palms to frame it and establish the height. When making a centerpiece, you want to make sure it isn't any taller than your hand when resting your elbow on the table. This will allow the table guests to see each other. In this case, I needed to keep the height below 16 inches. While building the centerpiece, I needed to keep in mind that there should be interest from all angles. The spider mums provide another focal flower at an angle where the roses could not be seen. The mini Gerber daisies have a yellow center, so I wanted to add some yellow to the arrangement for contrast. I had gotten some yellow calla lilies, but they were looking really sad and droopy, and I decided to leave them out. But I did think ahead and bought a yellow rose, so I used that single stem as a pop of contrasting color. I started to second guess myself, so I took a step back and went to my course page online to rewatch the video by a course instructor on how she went about assembling her arrangement. It always looks easier than it really is. So I took a deep breath and went back to finish, adding the rest of my flowers. So here is the finished arrangement. I'm pretty happy with it, considering I had limited options from the florist I went to, and that it was my first compote arrangement. I decided to do my own style shoot, taking photographs at different angles and even setting the table for imagined guests. I made small floral bundles for each place setting and a small bud vase as a mini arrangement. I really enjoyed this project, and with practice I know I'll get the hang of it. Thanks so much for watching.